Okay, now, United States based, but the reality is you're worldwide.
Right.
Tremendous business in cross-border, which
Right.
means that there may have been a lull because of COVID, but you must be coming on strong as the world reopens.
Right. So there is, March last year, everything shut down. The first thing that we saw was that domestic spend in everyday spend categories, like you couldn't go to the shop. But so what are you going to do? You're going to stop, shop online growth for groceries. So we saw some massive shift in behaviors. Anything discretionary didn't happen, cross-border didn't happen, but everything everyday spend happened. So fast forward to today, what we're starting to see is we're 2 days in after U.S. borders open for travel. Flights are full. Tourists are arriving and they're spending. Wherever over the last 18 months, people have had the ability to travel, they actually did because they wanted to see friends, they wanted to see family, so we're the net beneficiary. But it's not a zero-sum game. That online spend stays. So there is this, we call this in Mastercard speak the secular trend, but it's basically there's a digital solution that's better than cash, and people are not going back. They're not going back to what they were before. So, we look forward very excited and saying, there's a more digital world, but at the same time, the power of travel is coming back. It's coming back to our P&L. It's showing. The trends are super encouraging. And as the U.S. is opening, you still look into Asia, and you start to see in Asia, nothing has opened. They're just at the very early days, so that's all upside. We had an investor day today, and I just gave one stat and said, 20% of the top markets around the world, from a cross-border perspective, are currently at 70% pre-pandemic volume. That's 30% upside.
Wow.
And then you take the US, UK, and Canada, which are the largest markets where the borders only just opened this week, they're at 50%. That's all upside because people will go out and travel. That's corporate and consumer.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.